You ever hear of manners?
Hey, Charlie, you hooked a whopper.
Ah, yeah. This is a keeper.
See, didn't I tell you that was my lucky rod?
Good doggy. Why, you're just like my guardian angel.
No.
Hey, Charlie, wait up. Wait for me, Charlie. It's me.
I was not working. I was just throwing away a dumb fishing rod.
Still, that was some catch, Charlie.
Nah, it's just an accident, Itch. It was just an accident.
Oh, no, Charlie. You saw your duty and you did it. You're a trained professional. Admit it. You're just like one of those TV wrestlers. Only better.
I'm through. Finished. Kaput.
What?
No more Mr. Nice Guy. No more good deeds. I may have left my heart in San Francisco, but I'm getting my tail out of town now.
But wait, Charlie, listen to this. Millions of people come to San Francisco every year. Says so right here, Charlie.
So?
Well, if all these folks come from all over to visit here, why are we leaving, Charlie?
Because you can't take a vacation in the city that you live in. It's a law or something.
Really?
Yeah, if you work in San Francisco, you have to go away to have fun.
Oh, work San Francisco, fun someplace else.
You got it.
Got what? I've had all my shots. Hey, why don't we go this way, Charlie?
Look out, Itch! Sunday driver! Hey, Lou, a free ride.
What?
Move your tail, Itch. At last, our vacation's begun.
Yeah. You know something, Charlie? I'm starving. How about we stop for a bite, huh?
Not till we're out of the city.
It says here that there are really great restaurants in this town.
You can wave at them as we go by.
Aw. Oh, look, it's Chinatown, Charlie.